Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Today I'm gonna be preparing cupcakes, so let's get to it right now. On to our ingredients. I am going to use 2 glasses of eggs self-rising flour, a glass of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 250 grams of unsalted butter, and 3 eggs. Then for our flavor, we are going to make chocolate cupcakes, vanilla cupcakes. I'm using vanilla essence, cinnamon cupcakes. Then eventually we will add white vinegar as our preservative.
My love is strong as a lion, soft as the cotton you lying. Times we got hot like an iron, you and I. Our hearts had never been broken. We were so innocent, darling. We used to talk till the morning, you and I. We had that mixtape on every weekend. Had it repeating, had it repeating. You were my September song. Summer lasted too long. Time moves so slowly when you're only 15. You were my September song. Tell me, where have you gone? Do you remember me? We were only 15, and I remember the chorus. They were singing it for us. You were my September song. Tell me, where have you gone? Do you remember me? We were only 15. Sometimes I think that I see you facing the strangest of places, down on the underground station, passing by. I get a mad sense of danger, feel like like my heart couldn't take it. 'Cause if we met, we'd be strangers, you and I. Still I play that mixtape every weekend. Got it repeating, got it repeating. You were my September song. Summer lasted too long. Time moves so slowly, so slowly. When you're only 15, you were my September song. Tell me, where have you gone? Do you remember me? Oh, we were only 15, and I remember the chorus. They were singing it for us. I hear that September song and I'm singing along, thinking about you and me. Oh, what a melody. And as the years go by, you will still be mine, be mine. You were mine. You were my September song. Summer lasted too long. Time moves so slowly. When you're only 15, you were my September song. Tell me, where have you gone? Do you remember me? We were only 15, and I remember the chorus. They were singing it for us. You were my September song. I remember the chorus. They were singing it for